This is the last round. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, standing in at 5 foot 9 inches tall, weighing in at 148 pounds, soaking wet, Soulja Boy, and his opponent, 6 foot 1, 200 pounds, holding a TKO victory over Rihanna, undefeated against the fairer sex, the Chris Brown. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen, Matt Freeman.
1-0. Well, he's an undefeated fighter like myself.
1-0 TKO over Rihanna that we know of. I mean, he might have like 6 or 7 knockouts on Rihanna
That we know of.
That
and maybe she got one over on him too. We don't know about it.
Okay, so listen. Here's what's going on. I don't want to say here's the situation. Mike, the situation did not call me and bitch at me. Let me tell you what's going on. Soulja Boy made a comment on some chick's Instagram that Chris Brown happens to be tapping at this moment. And he went at Soulja Boy and was basically like, why are you commenting and liking my girls this, and I'll see you on the streets and all this other stuff. So here's what happens. This post then comes out on Snapchat from Soulja Boy. Here we go.
Hey, Chris Brown, you a bitch, nigga. When I see you, I'm gonna beat the fuck out you, nigga. You think you hard because you hit Rihanna, nigga, because you beat Rihanna up, nigga? Do that shit to me, puss ass, nigga. The fuck wrong with you, nigga? You gonna call my phone on FaceTime talking about some, why you liking Karuchi
148
pictures on
pounds.
Instagram, man? Why you liking Karuchi pictures on Instagram?
Speed
when
kills.
I see you, I'm gonna catch the fade. I'm gonna knock you out. I'm gonna run. Nigga, this Fruit Town Paru, nigga, you ain't even good in
He
the
just
hood,
admitted
nigga.
to being a
we
blood.
From the same hood, nigga, on Bumped, and nigga, when I see you catching the fade, nigga, I'm gonna knock your bitch ass out, nigga. You got me fucked up, nigga.
Wow, got him fucked up.
He's very upset.
I'm gonna tell you guys something, okay? I'm ex-military. I'm an ex-cage fighter, MMA fighter. I'm a boxer. If a 148-pound man ever talked to me like that, I would drop kick him through the nearest wall. That's all I'm going to say. That being said, I'm not a fan of Chris Brown at all. He's a woman beater. He's cocky. I don't know what's going on with his hair, but there's a lot of shit about Chris Brown that I don't like.
He can dance like Michael Jackson, though.
That being said, Chris Brown fires back.
Any nigga that want to telegraph bullshit
Telegraph.
because they need a look, they broke. And number one, you're a snitch. Street niggas know that if you get arrested, you're on probation for a weapon or what all that gangster shit you talking about, and you get out less than 24 hours later, you told.
That's true.
He called him a snitch.
He's a snitch.
Look at, first of all, I disagree with Chris Brown talking like a gangster. Come on, dog, you're Chris Brown. You're not 50 Cent. You're not Lloyd Banks. You're not Eazy-E. You're fucking Chris Brown. You're a fucking nerd in skinny jeans who beats women.
Have a run-in with the law
Come
recently.
on, man. Don't talk like you're gangster to me, man. Come on. Soulja Boy actually sounded like he might have a little street cred.
I mean,
he weighs as much as my left nut, but, you know, he's
Hey, how much did Tupac weigh?
Tupac was a little different animal than Soulja Boy.
He weighed, what, 130?
Let's not talk Tupac versus
He was
Soulja
a
Boy.
bantamweight at least, right?
I don't know. 135 pounds?
145,
Yeah, it'd be more than
150,
that.
150 at the most.
Okay, let's break this down because this is a fighting show, and this is going to happen according to Floyd Mayweather and Mayweather Productions. Mayweather Promotions has said that this fight will happen. A mock-up poster
I'm glad
has
it'll
been
happen.
made. Do you really think Soulja Boy? Let's just be honest. 5'9", 148 pounds. Chris Brown goes between 180 to 200, 6'1". Okay, and we already know Chris Brown can throw a punch. We've seen Rihanna's face looking like the Elephant Man.
Yeah, but she has a soft face.
But can Soulja Boy show up and fight a guy that's this much bigger than him?
Who knows? What if Soulja Boy knows how to box for real? What if he could really box?
He told Chris Brown to call up Adrian Broner to set up the fight. I don't know why you call Adrian Broner to set up the fight. Adrian Broner is the has-been, never was, who tried to use Floyd Mayweather to become something bigger than he ever could have been. But here's the point. If this fight happens, it's our job.
I hope it does.
As fight analysts, we have to break this fight down.
We don't know a lot about these two guys fighting
Chris Brown has the reach. Chris Brown has the weight advantage. Chris Brown
probably has the footwork.
He has the footwork running from the cops. So we know he can run. Who wins this fight?
I'm going to go with Soulja Boy because he was very confident, and I think he's got boxing skills that we don't know about.
So you think that he's an undercover boxer?
Yes.
Okay.
He's like he's like one of these guys that trains boxing and no one knows that they train boxing. You wouldn't expect it.
This is coming from a guy who's been in MMA a long time. The one cool thing about this, there's one loophole they're not going to have to jump through if this fight is
A
taped.
commission.
They're not going to have to call and get the rights to the songs they walk out to because they're their songs.
Their songs.
I mean, Chris Brown's got to come out to a Chris Brown song, right? He's going to be dancing to the ring, doing his little moves and all that shit.
It's going to be on pay-per-view. Is it going to be celebrity boxing?
Floyd Mayweather is not going to put his stamp on anything that's not going to make him a couple $1 million minimum. So it's going to have to be pay-per-view.
So maybe there'll be other celebrities on this then, and not just those two. Before
Like
it's
a whole undercard.
before it's all said and done.
Justin Bieber.
What about 50 Cent and Game get it solved in the ring?
You know, I love 50. I love 50. Absolutely love 50. One of my top 5 favorite artists of all time. I don't know that he wants to fight the Game.
You don't think so?
I don't think the Game's a joke. I think the Game is a fucking
50
gangster.
can't be a joke either. As far as
He's
I'm
not.
talking
He's
boxing,
not.
I'm talking just boxing.
Right, and he's been hanging with Floyd, Adrian Broner, all these guys for a long time. He trains with Uncle Roger. Floyd and those guys have probably given 50 some boxing skills. So you're right. You're probably right. Street fight, I got to go with the Game just because I think dude's a beast. Boxing match, I think 50 probably gets him. But I think you're wrong. I don't think there's going to be an undercard of Hollywood
Justin
celebrities
Bieber?
fighting each other.
Who would Justin Bieber
Bieber's
fight?
got hands.
I
I've
know.
seen the videos.
He's got hands.
Bieber can fight. He's training with Ricky Funes. He can fight. Funes. He can fight. But let's be realistic. If they do this, it's going to be on pay-per-view. How much money
I don't know.
would you pay?
Would I pay?
Would you pay? You're an avid boxing fan, MMA fan, pay-per-view guy. Obviously, some people have those sticks. I don't know anything about those where you can get the shit for free. I know that's illegal, so I don't do it. Other people do. You don't have the stick. It's Saturday night. There's no UFC fight. How much would you pay to watch Soulja Boy fight Chris Brown?
I would pay at least $30.
I'd pay 100. You know why?
I would not pay
You
100.
know why I'd pay 100? Because it's gonna be a fucking train wreck. It's gonna be the worst fight in the history of pay-per-view, bar none. And that includes Shamrock Severn 2, where they weren't allowed to punch each other in the face.
What about Shamrock Kimbo?
That also bad. And it's chemo.
Kimbo.
Oh, you're talking about the Kimbo Slice
Kimbo.
fight? That was a work, dude. That wasn't a fight. That was a wrestling match. But I would pay probably $100 because I think it's going to be a train wreck. It's going to give us a ton of material to talk about the next week on the show. I don't think it's going to happen because I don't think that Soulja Boy really wants to fight Chris Brown.
I wouldn't pay $100 unless they had Danny Bonaducci, Greg Brady 2 on the card. Then I would.
Who was the guy that Danny Bonaducci back body dropped on the fucking stage? The little asshole from all the reality TV shows.
Was it Corey?
Dropped him on his head.
Was it Corey?
No, it wasn't Feldman. It was somebody else that wasn't that big of a deal. I don't know, but that was pretty funny. Danny Bonaducci's a beast. He
beat the fuck out of
He's
Greg
undefeated
Brady.
in celebrity boxing matches. That's pretty good.
I think that's going to be my next fight.
You want to fight Danny Bonaducci?
Yeah, I'd fight that
Call him out
motherfucker.
right now. Call him
He's a
out right now.
smoker.
Call him out right now.
Danny Bonaducci, you know who I am. Let's get this done.
I doubt he knows who you are. I really doubt
You
he
chain smoking, crack smoking piece of human garbage.
does. Wow.
I'll kick your ass, and then I'll go bang your ex-wife.
Wow.
How about that?
Which one?
The one that was on the reality show.
You don't even know her name.
Not the tranny that he beat up, but the ex from the VH1 show. The plastic-looking one with the big titties.
What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you?
I'll smoke that fool. He smokes cigarettes.
What does that mean?
He smokes. There's no way he's got better cardio. I know he's on the steroids and all that
Stand
shit.
up for a second.
I'm not standing up.
Stand up and take your little warm up off.
No.
Show the fans at
No,
home what
I'm a modest man. I'm not gonna try to outshine the host of the show.
Do you really want to fight Danny Bonaducci?
I'd fight him.
I'll make a phone call.
Make it.
You want to fight Danny Bonaducci?
I'll fight that motherfucker.
Why? What do you have against
I
Danny
don't know.
Bonaducci?
I don't really have anything against him. You just said it. And I thought that sounds fun.
Okay.
Because he would fight anybody.
I hate Chris Brown, but I'm taking Chris Brown in this fight. You taking Soulja Boy?
I'm taking Soulja Boy.
$20?
$20.
Let's do it. All right. That's it.